Hey there, I'm Devin Curlings with the Coley Group of Compass, and today we are in my hometown of Fuquay-Varina visiting the sought-after community of Crooked Creek. Crooked Creek is a sprawling community composed of 6 neighborhoods. Previously home to a golf course, the community now features an adjacent park, Hilltop Needmore Town Park and Preserve, which offers 143 acres with 5 miles of paved trails, open green space, and multiple ponds. You're minutes from downtown Fuquay, and just off 401, you'll have quick access to get you anywhere in the triangle. Welcome to our newest listing in the heart of Crooked Creek. Nestled on a flat lot, you'll find a traditional home with a floor plan you just don't find that often. Step inside to be greeted by a grand staircase and a private floor plan that flows from one room to the next. Your first floor features a formal dining room and a home office that we all need. Step into the heart of the home to discover a spacious kitchen with endless cabinetry, new Samsung appliances, an eat-in area which leads into your sunken living room, perfect for hosting. Upstairs, you'll find 5 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms with an oversized bonus room. Right off the hall, you'll step into your spacious primary with dual closets. Your primary bath offers separate vanities, a soak-in tub, and a walk-in shower. Down the hall, you'll discover a full bath and generous-sized bedrooms, one of which features a darling Juliet balcony. Step out to your back deck to soak in the views of your flat, expansive lot with lush hardwoods. Fuquay-Varina is a thriving town well known for many accolades and accomplishments over the recent years. Rated as the safest small town in North Carolina and the safest city in North Carolina in 2022. Needless to say, Fuquay-Varina is a perfect place to plant your roots, raise a family, and/or invest. For more information on this home or a private tour, give the Coley Group a call today.